Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I am sharing the exterior transformation of our new home and also the holiday decor, how we decorated the outdoors this year. I am so excited for this video. This is how the house looked before. I have some paint samples on the wall as you can see by the garage. I was trying out the colors. So the first thing we did, I first want to say thank you so much to my mother for helping me on this project. And the first thing we did was to cut all these bushes and get rid of all these plants. I just felt like they were calling a lot of bugs into the area and I wanted a clean, fresh look. You can see here when we clear out the bushes from the back and also from that window there, everything looks a lot cleaner now and more bright in my opinion, but we're not done yet. We did a lot more to this area. Thing we did was to paint the house. This was my number one thing on my to-do list for the exterior of the house. I just didn't enjoy the yellow color that it was. The house was fully painted. We decided to continue our landscaping project in front of the house. So you guys, let me tell you, I looked for companies to give me a quote on this and it was so expensive that me and my mother decided to tackle this on our own. We just head over to our local Home Depot and find all the supplies that we needed, and we did it, you guys, and the transformation was totally worth it. I'm so glad that I ended up doing this project with my mother. I think it was a great way to spend quality time with her, quality time with Jaden, just seeing her and Jaden, help out on the landscaping. It was kind of fun, you guys, and it's memories that we're making in this new home. So the next thing on our list was the outdoor lighting, you guys. You guys know for me, lighting is key. So finding the right light fixture for the outdoor made a huge difference. All these light fixtures that you're going to see in today's video are from Kishler Lighting. I want to thank them so much for sending these light fixtures over to me. Kishler, I chose the Caterham 4-light chandelier in old bronze. It looks like a black, that's why I picked it. To replace those ugly garage lights that I had here, I am using the Manhattan 22-inch LED wall light. You guys, they're so beautiful. Look at that. So guys, before I show you how I decorated for Christmas, this is how the house looked. You guys, what a beautiful transformation. It's everything that I wanted. It looks clean, modern, and very bright, and that's exactly what we wanted. We have future exterior renovations to do, but for now, this will do. Like the moon is the snow, we don't care about the others. Know that Christmas is my all-time favorite holiday, and of course decorating the outdoor this year makes it extra special. We used to decorate the outdoors in New York, but it's just not the same thing. You get to enjoy them here because the weather is warmer. So yeah, I'm super excited. I got this icicle light from Home Depot. I also got this little Christmas trees to put them on the entryway pathway to like the front door. They look super cute at night. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on fire. So my friend at Best Choice Products were nice enough to send me this deer set. You guys, it is the cutest. You guys know I'm obsessed with deers, so having this light up deers to go outside of my home is just everything for me. They were super easy to assemble and they come with these hooks that you could secure them into the ground so they're not wobbly and they don't move around, and they look so pretty, you guys. To check the description box and use my code at bestchoice.com to get 5% off of your order. They have an amazing variety of holiday decor at great prices and gift for every member of your family as well. Best Choice products, I got this rotating tree stand. This is one of my favorite holiday pieces because it makes your Christmas tree spin so nicely. I had this one last year, but I got a new one this year and this is how it looks. And I totally recommend it. Check the description box so you could get your hands on this. They are on sale right now. You won't regret it. It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas.